Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year's. I hope you guys had a wonderful end of 2017. I hope you guys accomplished all your goals for 2017. I know I accomplished 3 of them, which is, a big deal. So yeah, I just wanted to make this video like I've done in the past few years. I've showed you guys what I got for Christmas. So yeah, I didn't get much. To be honest, I wasn't expecting anything like this past year, but I am really grateful for everything that I got. So yeah, just want to show you guys what I got. I am not bragging at all. This is something that I've been doing for the past 3 years already on my channel. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. So I'm not going to go in any particular order. I'm just going to grab things and then just mention who gave them to me. And yeah. So first thing is my sister-in-law gave me a Sephora gift card. I'm not sure how much is in it, but she did say that she was just going to pay for the taxes. So yeah. So Sephora gift card. I haven't used it yet. So hopefully soon I'll go and use it. And next thing, my dad gave me some money, and some of the stuff I bought was these glitters from the Swap Me. Here's this one, it's upside down. So I bought like a white one, a black one, a silver one, pink one, gold, and blue. So I haven't used all of them yet. The only one I've used is the pink one. I used it for New Year's Eve, and let me just say, they were only $3 at the Swap Me, and they were pretty good. They're like an eyeliner glitter. Watch. So it works pretty good. The brush is like really thin as well, so it's perfect to get like in the crease. So yeah, can't wait to create some looks with these. These were like all the colors that they had, so I got all of them, and I'm about to create some glitter looks. So if you guys want to see any glitter looks for any of these, just let me know. And again, they were only $3 and they work bomb. My sister got me these like little hairpins. I'm pretty sure she just got them. She got them from her school, and I'm pretty sure she just got them for me so she could use them and stuff. So they're like little Christmassy. This one has like a little stocking, little mitten right here. One has Santa, I believe. Oh no, this is a snowman. And what's this? Here's Santa right here. Then a Christmas tree here. I believe that's all the little figurines that has this one. So yeah, it's like little hairpins like this. Just gonna put one right here since it is a Christmas haul. So next thing she got me is I believe this is a necklace. I don't know where she got this from. I'm pretty sure she just got it from like somewhere in the house. She tends to do that, like she knows someone's birthday's coming up and she just grabs things around the house and she gives them to them, which is like, really thoughtful and like really cute. So next thing I got, one of my dad's co-workers, like I don't know if she made this or she bought this. It's actually one of my best friend's tias. So it's just this Joy. It's like a little mug warmer with a bag of candy. I'm not much of a candy eater, but I know my fiance will love those. So yeah. And then my manager, she got me this Christmas card. Well, one of my managers got me this Christmas card, and then my other manager got me a Starbucks drink. It was the mocha flavor. I never had that one, and I drank it already. Obviously, I'm not going to show you guys because I already drank it. I drank it, and actually pretty good, like really good. Okay, so next thing is I have, oh, this right here is a little like pretty thing that I also bought from the money, with the money that my dad gave me. So I bought this at TJ Maxx. It was only like 14 something. So this is part of my Christmas gift as well. It's just a little rug. I put it on my chair. My sister-in-law also gave me these jeans. They're high-waisted and they're like olive green. They're not jeans, it's like a different type of material. Yeah, but it doesn't really fit me. They don't really fit me. So probably I might have to exchange them or just like do a store credit on them. But they're like really cute. I do like it. I like this color of it. I'm not much of a high-waisted type of girl though. But it doesn't really fit me like on my legs. So yeah, my sister-in-law got me this, and she also got me something else, but it's somewhere in there. Another thing that I bought with my dad's money, I bought a palette, and it's the Beauty Creation Sugar and Sweet palette. This is the box, and I haven't opened it yet. Open this and see how it looks. Obviously I already saw it at the store. I just want to show it to you. And it is cruelty free, which is something that I like. So this is the packaging. It looks like really cute. It kind of reminds me of the Too Faced packaging from the chocolate bar one. And this is how it looks. Doesn't smell like anything, but yeah, this is how it looks. I like the colors. I bought my mom gave me money as well. That's what I got from my parents. I just got money. And I bought myself this like crop top. It's like off the shoulders, long sleeves, and it's kind of like crop topped. So this is what I got from my mom's money. And then right here, it's the top that my sister-in-law gave me. Or should I say also my brother, because my brother gave me all of, like, my brother and my sister-in-law gave me these. It's also a long sleeve, because they know me, I always wear long sleeves. And it's like this. And it's like an off-the-shoulder type of shirt. So it goes like that, or I could also like just wear like the front just hanging. So yeah, this top that I'm wearing, I bought it also with my dad's money. So it's just like a long sleeve, and it's like warm on the inside. Sorry, got dirty. Other thing that I bought with my dad's money is these socks. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yes, these socks, it has like a little furry on the inside all the way in, so they're like slippers, socks. Yes, and they're like really comfortable. So yeah. And lastly, this is what I bought for myself. I've been looking for some booties like for a long time already, and I haven't been, either they don't have my size or I just don't like them. And I went to the mall, obviously because I work at the mall, but I was just walking around and I saw these booties, and I asked them if they had a size 5.5 or 5, because I have a small, like really small foot, so I needed either a size 5 or 5.5, and they didn't have neither. And these were size 6, so this is how they look. And I went in the next day and I tried them on to see if they fit me perfectly and if they weren't so big, and they weren't. And I loved how they look, and I ended up buying them. They're actually pretty comfortable. I like how they have the lace on the front, but it has a zipper in the inside. I like how this is like really snug. So yeah, these are the booties I bought myself. So yeah, my loves, that's pretty much all I got for Christmas. Like I said, I didn't really get much. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this might give you some ideas for this year's Christmas, even though it's like still far away. But if you do celebrate Los Reyes Magos, this freaking Los Reyes Magos is like this Saturday. So if you celebrate Los Reyes Magos, this might give you some ideas for Los Reyes. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys did had a fabulous Christmas, and also hope you had a great New Year's. You guys stayed safe and all. And yeah, thank you guys that have been subscribing to me, and thank you that made my channel grow these past couple of months. I really do appreciate it. That's something that I've been working on. I've been trying to grow my channel ever since I started, and I feel like I'm finally like doing it. And yeah, if you guys have any video ideas for this 2018, just let me know. My goal for my channel during this year is also to keep growing it. I do want to reach 1K by my birthday. I mean, we still have 6 months. My birthday is on July 19th, so if you guys could help me accomplish that, I would really appreciate it. So yeah, and also I want to have like better quality as well on my channel. So yeah, so pretty much I just want to make my channel grow and make it better and good content, and I'm gonna try to upload at least 2 videos a week, if not 1 video, because I am working. So 1 video or 2 videos a week. So yeah, so yeah, I think that's about it. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, like I said, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. The red button down below is the subscribe button. Like right next to it, a little bell will appear, so just hit the bell to get notified every time I get a video up for you guys. And yeah, please give this video a thumbs up and comment any requests that you have. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video.